Hello, this is Toby Crines, and I'm going to walk you through how to add a new project to the new YMM website. And by project, I'm talking about the stuff that goes in the Our Work section. It also displays in this area, and from time to time you might want it to show up down there as well. So the first thing you need to do is log into the YMM website, as I have already done. You'll see on the left we have a number of options here. You can ignore most of these things on the left. We're going to focus on work, and we're just going to click Add New Project or Add Project. We're going to, for the purposes of today's lesson, we're going to use the Health Now project, and I'm looking at the document that was sent to me. So the page name is Case Study, so in that case I'm just going to copy that. Go back here, paste that into the title area. We're going to skip the meta stuff right now for the search engines, but we're going to look at tags. So you see all these tags, we need to add these to our menu areas. This will make them sortable. And so the first thing we need to do is grab the tags, and I've already sorted them. So the first one we're going to add is to the healthcare industry. So you add these to the right here, and so I'm just going to start typing here, and you'll see that healthcare pops up. I click the down arrow and hit enter. Now it's added to the healthcare industry. We go back here. We need to add advertising and outdoor signage to the method. So I'm going to go start typing advertising. There it is. Outdoor signage I'm looking for here. There it is. So now I've added those to the method, and finally we're going to add positioning and lead generation to the objectives. I'm going to start typing there. There it is. And I don't believe there's one for lead generation yet, so I'm just going to add that. So I'm creating a new one here, and you do it the same way that you add to an old one. I'm going to click add there. Next up, what goes in this box is what will display on the right side. So this is kind of your featured text area. So we're going to look for the excerpt here, down here. We're going to grab the excerpt. We're going to paste that into that box. And you'll see that WordPress, or actually it's Microsoft Word actually that adds those line breaks. I'm just going to remove those line breaks, and then we're going to add our image that's going to go over in that area. So we're going to select that. We're going to go to Health Now, and it's going to be the B image. So we're just going to add one B, open. And what you'll need to do is set this as the medium featured image in this image screen. We're also going to insert it into post. And next we're going to add our slideshow images that'll go on the home page. So these are the big images that appear over here in this area. So you'll see you have a slideshow panel here. We're just going to start adding them. We're in the Health Now folder. We're going to add 1A, 2A, 3A. Just going to keep on going here. 4A, 5A. Finally, we need to write the information that's going to go in the main body of the article. So when you click on the article, there's a bunch of text that'll display underneath it, and that's what we're going to do now. For the purposes of WordPress, in terms of this installation, we're calling this an excerpt. So that's why you see excerpt there. So I'm just going to paste that into there. One thing you'll notice is we need to add, you're going to need to format that because of Microsoft Word a little bit, but this is actually an H3 in terms of search engine stuff. So we're going to need to make sure to call that an H3. Same with this one. So we're going to select that text and then go to H3. Make sure we get the rest of it. And so when you get the rest of it, you paste it in there, and then you click Publish. And that's how you create a work project.